The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Jefferson County in Ohio, Brooke County in West Virginia, Ohio County in West Virginia, until 1:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing golf ball-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from Valley View to Leawood Park, moving northeast at 5 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include, but are not limited to, Warwood, Clearview, Bethlehem, Tiltonsville, Smithfield, Rayland, Jug Run, Windsor Heights, West Liberty, Wellsburg, Valley Grove, Wintersville. Please report severe weather to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-877-633-6772 when you can do so safely.